We are pleased to show you the 2019 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.